Hello friends, my name is David and today I am going to tell you how to make an Indian flag on the Rubik cube. First of all, for doing that we should understand or we should know about the Indian flag or we should know about our flag. Actually, the Indian flag or the our flag is made up of three layers: the orange one, the green one, and the middle one is of white. And in which the center there is a subchakra is made up of blue color. So first of all, for making the Indian flag or our flag on the Rubik cube, first of all find the blue center, that is it is here. Okay, now I have to make here the green line or here the orange line. And for doing that, first of all, I'm going to make an orange line. The here is already present orange line, so I have to put only two corners here. Okay, and here is the one corner. Here is the one corner. Yeah, you can see here. Here is one corner, and here is blue. I have to put this corner here. For doing that, I have to put here, and then it will go here, and then this is how I made the corner. Then here is the next corner and here is blue. I have to move this cube here, and following that here we go this and this. I had made a orange layer. Okay, now I have to make the green layer. Green already is here is the green present. Now I have to make this corner here. I have to move this corner here. Following that you should move this, then this. Okay, now third green corner, third green corner here, then here, then, and am I visible to you? I think I am. Okay, this is. Now I have to make a second line or a second white line. Okay, and for doing that, actually I have to put an orange cube here and here, so I have to find the orange one. Here is the orange one without disturbing this pattern. Okay. So here is coming here orange. Here is orange, and I have to put here. So for doing that, here, here. Here is your orange. Here is your white. Okay. Now you have to put your white, the next white here, and here is your white. You have to put it here. So move this cube actually. Here you have to move this here, then this, and this. Your Indian flag is ready. This is how to make Indian flag. Please like, subscribe, and comment on our video for watching more interesting videos. Thank you.